What's up, guys? We just finished off the Infiniti with the lowering springs, and now we're working on this G37 from Robert. We're doing the front splitter and then also IPL rear bumper with this top secret diffuser on. This boy swears he's really on the come up because he has this double diffuser going on, but we'll see how that goes. Alrighty, guys, so we have the car jacked up, rear wheels off, and then now we're taking off the diffuser. Right now I'm doing the tail lights, Tyler's doing the diffuser part, and then we'll see how it goes. Alright, guys, just finished removing the rear bumper. There's going to be 3 8mm bolts holding it on from the inside right here. You're going to have a 10mm down here on the tab and one on the other side as well. And then these had 4 parking sensors. We kind of just pulled it off. The clips weren't really working for it. Maybe yours will. Then here's really the difference between the sport bumper and the IPL bumper. It's just that little bottom piece is a little bit more aggressive. I don't understand why people don't rather go aftermarket, rather go OEM plus. But that's just preference. I like to go all out, balls out. Alrighty, top secret diffuser off. I'm about to go on the new IPL rear bumper. Take off the license plate bracket, the 2 Phillips screwdrivers right there. Then the parking sensors, you can just push them in like that. Just be a little gentle with those. Other than that, let's see how the diffuser install is gonna look. Here's the back side of the new one. We just also replaced that on here as well. IPL diffuser installed, blah blah blah. Let's put it on.
What's up, guys? We just installed the splitter. So we highly recommend doing a chassis splitter for this type of splitter, but the owner wanted to do a little bit cheaper route, just going nuts and bolts. So what you have to do, you have to make a line in the middle to line everything up and then put it on the splitter, and then you just put bolts through the bottom and then it should be mocked up.
Alrighty, splitter is installed now. we used the bolts and nuts that was with it. I highly recommend for the 100th time, please chassis mount your shit if you like to send it every 5 minutes like I do. This is a show car, so I guess he's on another level. Alrighty guys, we already finished up the front splitter and the rear diffuser install. This is how it looks. It's about 2 inches out, so it's pretty aggressive. I think some splitter rods would actually look nice with this aggressive setup. Maybe some side splitters going on. Other than that, that was pretty much it. It was pretty easy installed. Luckily for us, he already had it installed on his OEM bumper, so we kind of just lined up everything together. Other than that, everything's all set to go. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. If you comment, don't comment. I don't care. Other than that, Tyler, air it out. Oof! That's a mega oof! Alright, see you next time. Peace!